Welcome back to the channel. Today we are still working on the 335i that is getting big single turbo.
Yeah, way too much energy.
But today's goal is we're gonna get this thing running, hopefully.
That is not today's goal at
It
all.
is today's goal.
Maybe the YouTube video's goal, but not today's goal.
We have 2 hours. It's not in the car yet, but it will be.
Okay, so what really is happening is the goal is to get this in the car today, not running today. Trevor's way too enthusiastic about this.
I mean, Nick's here. He'll make sure it runs.
He's not enthused by it either. Man, hopefully it runs.
Yeah, see?
Not today though. Yeah, not today. There's no way it's gonna run today. We're all on the same page.
All right, so in the car today, but by the end of the video, hopefully it will be running.
That's the game plan. So we have some of the white stuff that we mentioned in the previous video on the car. There's a valve cover on the car. We have intake manifold on the car. All the ports are plugged. All the plugs are ported. That's what I said
Same
earlier.
thing. Wait, okay, so what's the next step?
The next step is we're probably gonna put it up in the car. So realistically, everything else is I need to do in the car. I need to figure out where some of the other lines run, or all the wires run. So now it's like time to get in the car. Actually, let's put the wastegate on first. Put the wastegate on, then we'll put it in the car. Maybe the downpipe. See, the more I look at it, the more things I could do to it. So yeah, I guess let's get ready to put it in the car.
And then we'll start it up.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh no. What'd you get this time?
Nothing really.
Nothing?
Usual payment.
Oh yeah. If there's one person Gage has to stay away from, Snap-on.
Snap-on technically owes me currently. So they bought my old box for what I gave for it, which is hard to beat. So I got 2 torque wrenches out of it and a top for this box. So, and they owe me money. If they're owing you money, you're beating the system. That's how I look at it.
It sounds good when you think of it like that.
A $300 wrench, that's sick.
So
Yeah.
Probably more than that. If you want to
Probably it's like 700 probably. We'll never have any use for it.
Oh, I'll use it all the time. You're gonna see something and like there's Gage using that little
Gauge
thing.
with valve covers.
Here, I'll tell you.
I
how much
know,
it is. It is $679.
Yeah.
$600?
That's how much that is in
Yeah.
your hands.
This
currently.
is why I don't own one.
And this one is $730.
That's about what I paid for
the other
mine.
one is like $800 that I have.
Actually, I think I paid
Which one?
8 for my 3.8.
No, yeah, this one's $730. That one's $680. And then this one, it's not on here, but this one new is like $850 or something.
Gage is in debt forever.
He's just trying to win another truck. If you wanted to. All right, our final piece is back from Powder Coat, which is the turbo housing. If you remember, it's the 6466 Gen 2, and it also has a T51R mod. Speedtech was out of just normal housings and emailed us and asked if we wanted this T51R mod done. We're like, heck yeah! So we got this for free, actually. So
You can't say no.
So you can't say no to that. So let's get this in here and bolt it up, and our next step's gonna be putting this thing in the car.
Dude, matching.
Oh
The
yeah.
white on white.
There she goes. She's gonna sit something about like that.
Oh, it's so crazy.
Crazy. Cool. Time to go in the car. She's in there.
She's in.
Clearly.
What's up, guys? If you'll notice, it's a little quiet around the shop today. It is Texas 2K week. We have Gage and Trevor out for the week, but we have progress on this United here. So to kind of catch you up to speed, Gage has been busting his tail on this thing. His big goal was to get it fired up before he left for TX2K, which we did. We did a test fire last night at like 5 o'clock and called it good enough. And so he took off out of there and he's, you know, on his way down to Dallas. And I am going to attempt to finish up this car this week, long as I can get, you know, free time and left alone, along with the other workload we have going on. But where we're at is the motor's put together. We did a test fire last night. I have to finish running the breather system, gotta bleed the brakes, put all the accessories back on, as far as, you know, wheels, tires, fender liners, so on and so forth. And then we wait on a tune file. So we will update you guys shortly. We'll turn this car over, bust it off, and then go from there.
All right, the car's done. We're back from TX2K, me and Gage. And while we were gone, Matt finished it up.
Yeah.
I guess it's time to get a first start of this thing. Matt's already heard it. Everyone else's shop has heard it. From what I've heard, the turbo is loud. Should be very interesting. You ready? Go for it. I don't know if y'all remember this setup before, but before it was so loud, the turbo quieted it down a lot. It's actually so much quieter. I'm impressed. Oh my goodness. Dude. When this thing is cruising around the streets, it's gonna sound insane. So insane. But that's wild. Oh yeah, I forgot it has a T51R mod. So we are going to finish getting this thing broken, and then next video will be a full drive where we can rip it, launch it, everything. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.